Imagine stepping outside at midnight and squinting, not from a street light, not from the moon, but from the sky itself. Your hand comes up instinctively, as if shielding your eyes from a muted daylight. The ground at your feet is a complex lacework of faint, overlapping shadows, each one pointing to a different, distant sun. This is a world where true night never arrives because you live inside a city made of stars. Our sun lives on a quiet street in the cosmic suburbs. Here, space is mostly just that, space. The average density is less than one star for every 10 cubic parsecs of emptiness. Our nearest neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is more than 4 light years away, a gap so vast it's difficult to truly comprehend. But journey away from our sparse neighborhood toward the ancient, glittering swarms we call globular clusters, or into the fiery heart of our own galaxy. Here you are no longer in the suburbs. You have arrived in a cosmic metropolis. In the core of a dense cluster, hundreds of thousands of stars can be packed into that same small volume. The concept of a nearest star changes completely. Neighbors are not light years away, but a mere tenth of a light year, or even closer. That's a few thousand times the distance from Earth to our sun. It is still an enormous distance, but cosmically speaking, it is like having your neighbors living just across the street.